Is maintenance cost guidance agent. Maintenance cost ratio is often treated as a financial outcome review after servicing costs have already increased. But in real servicing operations, costs rise because inefficient decisions are allowed to continue during execution. Manual handling grows, exceptions repeat, and servicing teams spend more effort on the same policies over time. This demo shows how the maintenance cost guidance agent improves execution discipline by helping operations teams intervene before avoidable servicing effort becomes embedded into standard workflows. This agent identifies medium risk servicing conditions where early operational discipline can still prevent long term servicing cost escalation. Although the case is still recoverable, the system recommends blocking additional exceptions before servicing complexity grows further. The agent recommends tighter monitoring servicing simplifications and stronger standard workflow enforcement before these cases move into high cost risk territories. These cases do not require immediate interception yet, but if servicing requests, manual touches, or overrides increase further, they will quickly escalate into costly operational patterns. By intervening before avoidable servicing effort becomes embedded into daily workflows, the maintenance cost guidance agent helps operations teams reduce manual complexity, standardize servicing execution, and stabilize maintenance cost ratio. Exceptions are controlled earlier, servicing paths become more consistent, and operational efficiency improves because intervention occurs while corrective actions is still possible. This demo shows how stronger servicing performance is achieved through execution discipline and timely operations decisions, not re- retrospective cost reviews.